When people talk about cars, they usually get excited about the design, the features, or the performance. But here's the truth. What really makes or breaks a car is its engine. And while some engines are reliable workhorses that can last for decades, others are complete nightmares. These are the engines that will drain your savings, keep you stuck in repair shops, and leave you wondering why you ever bought the car in the first place. Today, we're counting down the 23 car engines that will absolutely bankrupt you in repairs. From poorly designed components to notorious recalls, some of these engines are so bad they've earned a permanent spot in automotive infamy. Stick with me until the end, because the number one engine on this list is so unreliable that mechanics call it a guaranteed money pit. Let's start. Number 23, Chrysler. 2.7-liter V6. This engine was used in cars like the Chrysler Sebring and Dodge Intrepid. On paper, it sounded good, a modern V6 with decent power. But in reality, it was a disaster. The biggest problem was sludge buildup caused by poor oil circulation. Even owners who changed oil on time ended up with seized engines. Number 22, Volkswagen 1.8T, early 2000s. Volkswagen's 1.8 turbo was supposed to bring sporty performance to cars like the Jetta and Passat. But this engine quickly earned a bad reputation for oil sludge, coil pack failures, and turbo issues. The cost of fixing these problems often ran into thousands of dollars. Number 21, BMW N63 V8. Luxury doesn't always mean reliability, and the BMW N63 proves it. Found in models like the 7 Series, X5, and 5 Series, this turbocharged V8 suffered from excessive oil consumption, failing injectors, and timing chain issues. Repair bills could easily top $10,000. Number 20, Toyota 3.0-liter V6 3VZE. Toyota is known for reliability, but not every engine lives up to the legend. The 3.0 V6 used in the 4Runner and pickup trucks in the 1990s had head gasket failures that were so widespread, Toyota had to extend warranties. If you owned one outside warranty coverage, the repair bill was enough to make you regret ever buying it. Number 19, Ford 6.0-liter Power Stroke Diesel. This diesel engine, used in Ford Super Duty trucks, should have been bulletproof. Instead, it became one of the most infamous diesels ever made. It had EGR cooler failures, head bolt issues, turbo problems, and oil cooler breakdowns. Repairing these trucks often cost more than $5,000 at a time. Number 18, Subaru 2.5-liter Boxer engine. Subaru's Boxer engines are unique, but the 2.5-liter version found in models like the Forester and Outback had a major flaw: head gasket failures. Coolant leaks, oil leaks, and overheating were common. Repairs could cost $2,000 to $3,000, and some cars needed the job done more than once. Number 17, Cadillac Northstar 5.8. The Northstar 5.8 was Cadillac's pride in the 1990s, offering smooth power, but it came with a fatal flaw: head bolts that pulled out of the block. Once that happened, the head gasket failed and coolant poured into the engine. Repairing a Northstar often required engine removal, leading to repair bills of $4,000 or more. Number 16, Mini Cooper 1.6-liter Prince engine. Built through a partnership between BMW and Peugeot, the 1.6-liter engine in Mini Coopers was a maintenance nightmare. Timing chain tensioner failures, oil leaks, and carbon buildup were common. Owners often faced repairs costing more than the car's value. Number 15, Dodge 2.7-liter V6 different generation. Yes, Dodge appears twice on this list. Another version of the 2.7 V6 used in mid-2000s models suffered from water pump failures that leaked coolant directly into the oil system. The result? Total engine failure. Replacing it often cost over $6,000. Number 14, Hyundai/Kia 2.4-liter. Theta 2 engine. Used in millions of Hyundai and Kia vehicles, this engine faced seizure issues, rod bearing failures, and oil starvation. So many engines failed that Hyundai and Kia had to recall hundreds of thousands of cars. Even with recalls, countless owners were stuck with dead engines and massive bills. Number 13, Mazda Rotary, 13B/RENESIS. The rotary engine is legendary for performance and uniqueness, but not for reliability. Found in the RX-7 and RX-8, the 13B and RENESIS engines had apex seal problems that led to loss of compression. Frequent rebuilds were common, often costing thousands. While enthusiasts love them, most owners agree these engines are a money pit. Number 12, Nissan 2.5-liter QR25DE. Found in cars like the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue, this engine was plagued by excessive oil consumption, catalytic converter failures, and head gasket issues. In some cases, pieces of the catalytic converter were sucked back into the engine, destroying it completely. Number 11, Chrysler Hemi 5.7-liter early MDS models. The Hemi 5.8 is iconic, but early versions with cylinder deactivation, MDS, caused major issues. Owners reported ticking noises, lifter failures, and camshaft wear. Repairs often required replacing the entire top end of the engine, costing thousands. Number 10, Ford 3.5-liter EcoBoost, first gen. Ford's EcoBoost engines were marketed as powerful and efficient, but the first-generation 3.5-liter had timing chain issues, moisture in the intercooler, and carbon buildup. While later versions improved, many early owners faced repair bills of $4,000 to $6,000. Number 9, Volkswagen/Audi 2.0T EA888 Gen 1 and 2. This turbocharged 2.0-liter engine powered countless VW and AUDI models. Unfortunately, it suffered from excessive oil consumption, timing chain failures, and turbo issues. Repairs were expensive, and many cars ended up burning a quart of oil every 500 miles. Number 8, Chevrolet 2.4-liter Ecotec. Used in models like the Chevy Equinox and GMC Terrain, this engine was infamous for timing chain failures and oil consumption. Many engines seized before hitting 100,000 miles. Repair costs often exceeded the car's resale value. Number 7, BMW S65 V8. This high-revving V8 powered the legendary BMW M3 E90/E92. While thrilling to drive, it had rod bearing failures that could destroy the engine without warning. Rebuilding or replacing an S65 cost upwards of $15,000, making it one of the most expensive failures on this list. Number 6, Ford 5.4-liter Triton 5.8. Used in F-150s and Expeditions, this engine had a notorious spark plug issue. The plugs would either seize in the head or blow out completely. Repairing damaged cylinder heads cost thousands, and many mechanics dreaded working on this engine. Number 5, Jaguar 5.0-liter V8. Jaguar's 5.0 V8 was powerful but plagued with problems. Timing chain tensioner failures, cooling system issues, and oil leaks were common. Repairs were expensive because parts were costly and labor-intensive. Number 4, Volkswagen 5R6. The VR6 engine had a unique design and produced good power, but reliability was poor. Timing chain failures and cracked cylinder heads were common issues. Since it was a compact but complex design, repairs were extremely expensive. Number 3, Subaru 2.0 Turbo WRX. The WRX is beloved by enthusiasts, but the 2.0 turbo engine had major issues with ringland failures and blown head gaskets. Hard driving often led to engine rebuilds costing thousands. Subaru fans love the performance, but hate the repair bills. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz X/5.8, M272, and M273. These engines, found in E-Class, S-Class, and ML models, had a fatal flaw: balanced shaft gear failure. When it failed, the entire timing system was thrown off, leading to catastrophic damage. Repairs easily top $7,000 to $10,000. Number 1. Mitsubishi 2.6-liter G54B. Taking the top spot is Mitsubishi's 2.6-liter four-cylinder, used in vehicles like the Chrysler Conquest and Dodge Caravan. It was infamous for weak valve seals, head gasket failures, and oil burning. Rebuilding it was expensive, and most owners gave up long before 150,000 miles. Mechanics often call it one of the worst engines of all time. And there you have it, the 23 car engines that will bankrupt you in repairs. While some cars look tempting on the outside, what's under the hood can turn them into financial nightmares. If you found this list helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And before you buy your next car, make sure you check out our other video on the most reliable engines that can run forever. Because sometimes the best way to save money is by avoiding the wrong choice.